Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Guys, as I promised you, this is my birthday month. I just need to hit jackpot. 7 numbers correct. Yesterday I gave you guys 4 numbers correct. We can go and check from the results what happened. I know some of you maybe were at church, or some of you were maybe out. Some people they work even on Sundays. But let's go and check on the pairing app. This were the results for yesterday. So this is what we got on lunch and tea time. We got this on lunch and this. On tea time it was this and this and this. So you must just check. It's just that I don't have an app for Betway at lunch to show you what happened. Also was a jackpot on Betway. Even on UK49 was a jackpot. So guys, this is what it is now. As you can see, my work, I don't want to speak too much, but my work speaks for me. So please keep on subscribing, supporting, and also you are recommended to buy the books and come and join the WhatsApp group. I hope I'm clear. I just want people who are serious. I don't want people come to the group and then at the end of the day they're silent. They don't even ask coach how to do this. They don't want to learn, Then in that way you can't be a billionaire. I'm not a billionaire physically, but I'm a billionaire spiritually, because I know these numbers. Actually, I don't know the winning numbers. I know how to make them. That's what I can say. Because no one knows the winning numbers, but we all predict in a way that we end up coming up with the results. If someone says, I am going to give you 5 numbers, he's going to be lying to you. But the workings must show you that there is 5 numbers. Because 5 numbers is half jackpot. It's something else. Actually, it's a jackpot. Because if you play it with 20 rand, that's amazing. Okay. So let's go to this app. So now today, guys, our code is 138. I'm still asking the UK49 people to put this early lunch Betway on all these countries so that everyone can be able to play. Okay, so we're going to say, I'm using my formula, the one which you guys know. I'm going to use this one first. I'll say 1 plus 3. So it'll give me a 4. Then I carry this 4 up there. I put it as a 48. I say 1 minus 3 is a 2. I carry this 2, it gives me what? A 28, which I put it there. Then now, we want to look for a banker. When you're looking for the banker, you have to use the last 2 digits, which is 3 minus 8. It's going to give me a 5. Then I carry that 1 there, it gives me a 15. So which means we also add a 15 there. Then definitely banker should be 38. But then because it's Gina and it's UK49, they come to say 30 or 8. Do you see that? Or they say 3, 8. Or maybe they say 1, 38. Do you see? Already this code is given us a formulation showing us the direction of UK49 and the Betway. Then we're going to say 1 plus 38, we get 39. That already dropped yesterday, so I'm not going to focus on the number that has dropped. When I subtract, it gives me 37. So what do you do if a number is 39, then it has dropped yesterday? You add or subtract. On this side, you've got 37. So I'm either going to pick 37. I'm telling you, on this draft, there's 5 numbers. On this code, just one code, there's 5 numbers there. So and I've already tried to assist you guys on the pairing. I cannot pair 4 to 5 numbers on YouTube, because I know maybe United Kingdom people, they will not bring those numbers. That's why I pair them on the group either way. But at least I give you something every day. 2 numbers, I know you guys are catching. Even though some of you, they can't even say, coach, I won, it's fine. I'm happy as you guys are making money. Okay, then I go to this bottom code, 141. This code is not yet exhausted, but yesterday damaged United Kingdom. So for you guys to see that the banker is 15, I'm going to say 1 plus 14, that's a 15. 1 minus that is a 13. So this 13 is still coming. As I told you yesterday, 13 is still a odd number. It can be odd for the whole February, you see. Then if you say 1 plus 41 is a 42. 1 minus that is a 40. So these two guys dropped yesterday. So what do you do if a number is dropped like that? It's either one of those numbers you have to drop back. So this 42 must drop. This 40 as well. If they decide to somerset and say 4 or 24, it's gonna be something else. But this is what it is for today. I've already shown you the bankers. Actually, I need to edit here and put maybe a 1.5. There's a reason why I'm putting this 1.515 because I've seen. Then so guys, it's easy and accurate now. Oh, sorry, it's a bottle. I don't know how I'm going to show you the books that are there, that are available. I was going to show you the books that are available so that you guys can see. But then now, I don't have enough time to go there and recheck the books and stuff. But I've got hope that you guys are gonna boom today. This month, and guys, come and purchase the books and come and join the group. You see this thing? It shows you that you join through the link in the first comment there. But it's not for free because we're making the books and the group. There's a certain fee that you pay and then we take it from there. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you on the next one.